Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys how I prepare my very currently everyone's favorite boba tea. It also known as brown sugar milk tea, boba tea and bubble tea. So I will be sharing with you just the basic and simple recipe, but of course you can use whatever flavored tea you like, or you can just use milk. So enough talking, so let's just start with the recipe. So as you can see here, I'm not making this tapioca pearl from scratch, so I purchased this one from Amazon, and I just want to show you the brand, and this is ready in 5 minutes. They are black pearl, and I show you the back. And I pay for this bag about $4.90. So now I don't know the price, but it could be somewhere $4 to $5. And that's how they look. It's pretty cheap, and it had a really good review on it, so that's why I purchased this one. Okay, so I'm gonna take about 1 cup of this tapioca pearls. So this is, it's not completely 1 cup, it's maybe 3/4 cup. I'm going to follow the direction provided in the back of this package. So we're gonna go and cook our tapioca pearls according to package direction. But just one quick tip, do not put them into cold water because they can dissolve. So you have to boil the water and then add this into the water. So let's do that. So it does says for 1 cup of tapioca pearl you need about 10 cups of water. So I have taken about 7 cups of water because I think it should be enough for 3/4 of cup, because my cup is not full. And I'm going to boil this water. Okay, the water is hot, it's coming to boil now, and it's time to add our tapioca pearls in it. And we are going to cook them until you see they're floating on the surface of the water. So about 2 to 3 minutes once you add this in. Now we just have to wait until it comes to on the surface of the water and start floating. So as you can see, they start coming to the top now, they start floating. So we will wait until all of them come to the top. But it is so much fun to watch them popping on top. Alright, so as you can see, almost all of them has come to the top and has doubled in the size. It looks like they're big pearls. Alright, so this is time to lower the heat, and I'm going to cover the pot and let it simmer for a few more minutes. Alright, so it's been about 4 more minutes, and I'm going to turn off the stove. So after covering, I cooked another 4 to 5 minutes. Let's check. And there looks ready. So now I'm going to strain this into cold water. So I have got some cold water over here. So I'm going to just pick out the pearls and put it into this cold water. Just leave it here for about a minute or 2, and then you can just drain the cold water as well. Alright, so our pearls are ready and cooked. And my hands are clean. Alright, so let's make our brown sugar syrup for this pearls. Alright, so here I'm taking 1 cup of golden brown sugar. I couldn't find the dark brown sugar, but if you can find the dark brown sugar, please use dark brown sugar instead of this golden brown, because it will give really nice color and the little bit of different depth flavor to it. I was not able to find, so I'm just using golden brown. Here I have taken a pan. So what we are going to do is just add this sugar into this pan, and we are going to roast this for a few seconds until you see the sugar has started melting. Now as you can see, it's melting a lot now, so it's time to add our black tapioca pearls into it. So I'm going to dump that in here. There you go. Gently stir it into this sugar. Make sure you keep it on a low flame. And now I'm going to cook this until this liquid is slightly thick. We want thick sauce, not runny sauce like this. And then once it's cooked, we are going to let this marinate for a few minutes. You can prepare this in advance and keep it in the fridge for overnight to get the best flavor. If you don't like using sugar, you don't have to use sugar. You can always use maple syrup or honey, whatever you prefer. You can use that into, just put it into the cooked pearl, just mix it with honey or maple syrup and put it in the fridge for overnight, and will give really nice flavor. Once the pearls absorb the flavor, it tastes so good. So alright guys, so I also purchased this straw from Amazon. I paid $5.99. It gives me 8 straw with the brush and stuff. So if you need these are wide for this tea or anything thick like a smoothie or anything you want to drink, these are really good straw for it. And reusable, BPA free with brush, as you can see. So I paid $6 for this as well. I'll put the link in the description box. And then for the pearl, I already talked about it. So if you guys need a link, I will leave it in description box for links for these two items. I'm going to make our tea into this glass. Now we are going to make tea, assemble our cream and milk and everything. But just before that, I want to share with you guys, if you want to make this flavored tea, then you can use whatever flavor black tea you like, or any tea you like, you can use it. Here before we assemble, what I'm going to do is, you can also use cream as it is, but I'm going to add into any container, cold container, put it in the fridge. Just gonna make like a whipping cream kind of, a little thicker cream, just a little bit is enough. And if this is completely optional step, if you don't want to do it, you can just pour a little cream on top. And I'm just going to give it a shake. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge until we're ready to use. Alright, so one more tip guys, if you put this in the fridge and if you see next day it's pretty hard and solid, only thing you need to do is put a little bit of water and microwave it. It will be nice and soft again. So let's start assembling our brown sugar milk. So into this glass, I'm going to put my pearls in. So you want to start from the sides here, and they'll go down by itself. Just go like this. Make sure all the sides cover. Now I'm going to add ice cubes in it, then milk, and on top of that I'll just pour the frost kind of creamer we created. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top. As you can see, our boba milk tea is ready to enjoy. Stir it. You can see. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a try and do subscribe to my channel. Like this video and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.